In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to detach charts in MetaTrader 5. If you want to monitor several markets more comfortably, opening charts in separate windows can make your workspace much easier to manage. This is especially useful when you're tracking different symbols or comparing multiple timeframes side by side. The process in MetaTrader 5 is very simple, and once you know where to click, you can set it up in just a few moments. To begin, look for the Market Watch window. This is the panel that displays the trading symbols available in your platform, such as currency pairs, indices, commodities, or other instruments depending on your broker setup. If you already have MetaTrader 5 open, the Market Watch area is usually visible on the left-hand side, making it easy to access the list of symbols you want to work with. In the Market Watch window, right-click the trading symbol you want to open. Make sure you choose the exact instrument you want to monitor, since this action will create a chart window for that specific market. Right-clicking opens a context menu with several options, and this is where you'll find the command you need. From that menu, select Chart Window. As soon as you do that, MetaTrader 5 will open a chart for the selected symbol. This gives you a dedicated view of that market so you can analyze price movement more clearly. If your goal is to organize multiple charts across your screen, this step is the foundation for doing that efficiently. You can then repeat the same process for any additional symbols or timeframes you want to monitor. Go back to the Market Watch window, right-click another trading symbol, and choose Chart Window again. If you need to follow several markets at once, simply continue opening the charts you need. You can also switch time frames within each chart after it opens, which is helpful if you want to compare short-term and long-term movement without changing the symbol itself. As a practical tip, once your charts are open, you can arrange them in a way that best fits your screen and workflow. This can help reduce clutter and make it easier to stay focused during analysis or live trading. And that's it. By using the Market Watch window, right-clicking a symbol, and selecting Chart Window, you can quickly open the charts you need and repeat the process for any others you want to follow in MetaTrader 5.